Hey everyone, this is Joel with eduphoria, and I was going to show you very quickly how to set up a self-service system inside the application Helpdesk. So I am logged into eduphoria and I'm going to click on the Helpdesk application, and if you notice over here on the left side of my screen there is a tab for something called Knowledge Base. And Knowledge Base is a place where technicians can post articles that would be available either for just the technology department to view or articles that anyone who is submitting a ticket could view. It's a way, as I said, to use what is called self-service, meaning that a user could troubleshoot their own issues before submitting a ticket. And so to access Knowledge Base, you click on the tab, and based on the roles and rights you have as a technician, you have the ability to add content or remove selected articles that are in the system. If you're not seeing the knowledge base or you're trying to add information, the key is in the Manage tab. You want to go to Manage Your Technicians, select a technician, make sure you've selected the correct department, and then under the Rights tab, you want to check off that they can contribute to knowledge base. If you want to give them the ability to remove articles, then you would select Manage Knowledge Base for that user and click Save. And then when they enter the knowledge base, they are going to have access to add new article. And when you have articles, it's a very simplified text editor. You put in a title and then you can type in your text or paste from a document. And then once you have your content ready, of course you want to save that content. If you want it to be available for your users to see, you have to check the box on the side over here to make it visible publicly. And that is what makes it available for your users to see in the system. There is also a button up here to sync the table of contents. It just kind of refreshes the view that you have by your department. It also has at the bottom attach documents, images if you need to. You can have multiple attachments tied to specific articles, and then those would be available all in one place. And I have a view here. This is what a regular user would see, someone who doesn't have advanced rights inside of Helpdesk. They'd still be able to submit a ticket and they would be able to access the knowledge base. They only see the articles that have been made publicly visible, and then they can click on that information, access it as needed, troubleshoot on their end before submitting a ticket.